What's up, guys? It is a beautiful day in Texas, a day full of opportunities to get out there and do work. So we're at the Diamond C headquarters today. You can see it's the office. Behind me is the DM coating system plant. We got the shipping bay in front of me. But what we want to look at today is this really cool optioned out HTT. It's a HTT bumper pull, about a 24-footer. It's got 8K axles. It's got a ton of different options on it that the customer jumped online and built it. But the one I want to focus on today is the all-new ProTilt option. Yes, what is that? Well, let's get into it. I'm gonna flip the screen around. So we're going down here. So this is our normal flow control valve where we can open and close the flow of fluid through the cylinder. Now, that's pretty normal. But if you look right below it, we got this ProTilt sticker. There's a QR code so that folks can scan it and kind of see what that's about. But what ProTilt is, it allows you ultimate functionality on an HTT now. So 99% or 95%, so a high 90% of HTTs we build are gravity tilt. That's what, you know, it works really well on and off, cushion tilt, no big deal. So let's see, we'll go ahead and open our valve. This is our mechanical foot latch lock. So we're gonna open that. So like normal, we would come back here, step on the bed, and it's gravity tilt. So that's pretty well normal. That's a normal HTT function right there. It's slowly pushing the fluid through the cylinder into the reservoir and doing what you would do, you know, again, 95% of the time, off and on, loading, you know, a piece of equipment. So that's cool. But there are times, you know, that it would be nice for that bed to be powered. So say you have an off balance load and you need to be able to get, say, 2 small pieces of equipment on it, or, you know, a side-by-side and something else. Like there's definitely points in time where a power tilt would be great. So like with it up right now, you know, normally on the gravity tilt, I walk back up, it comes down real slow. Well, with this, I lock our bypass valve back out, and now I have power tilt. So this, like I said, gives you ultimate versatility for whichever job, you know, the day calls for. And then with the quick flip of a switch, I'm back to gravity again. But you can also still use it as a lockout. So raise the bed, you don't have to actually use the power, but raise the bed, lock it out to be able to load a longer wheelbase vehicle. But it's just, again, the ultimate versatility, being able to flip back between gravity and power. That's why it's called the ProTilt. Cool thing is, if you get the hydraulic jack, then it works really well because you got this 4-button remote. You got power up, power down for your jack all the time, but then still on the bedside, you get to choose which function you need for that day. It's really sweet. Jump on diamondc.com. There you can outfit an HTT or HTT GN with the ProTilt option, and then a slew of other ones. Like there's that pop-up winch, got that hydraulic jack. This one again is a 24-foot. You can go up to 28 feet. You get different colors, all kinds of options available for the HTT.